Good one. And the tree looks like heaven. Yeah, this looks so chic, fashionable. Oops, I really forgot about the hands. Why do I always so? Now, good one. I love to talk so fast. Time for one. Press Italy. Go. Now, please work. Oh, just a little like this. Yeah. Details all around. Go on. I really want to finish this so bad that I really want to do so many videos. Oh yeah? Let's color up the top. This one looks more fashionable. Good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. This one's gonna be so good. I think I love her hair. Just don't color the hairband, of course. Now, which color should I color the hairband? Oh yeah, blue. This was so hard. The sweater, I really think of color. I really wish I had maroon color. Don't worry, I'm gonna use violet again. Or this one. Now let's just calm and patient. This is gonna be so easily to. The sleeves are finished. Now it's time for the whole sweater. Good one. Now I really just think of the color of trousers black. So good one. Ah, good one. It's time for the slippers, or I mean shoes. Looks so great. Now it's time for the skin, but this time it's gonna be a color pencil, so it can look just the way it is. And well, now the hands too. Oh, and great one. Brown. Almost forgot about the whole tree. Please be fast, please. This brown is so chocolate. So oh yeah, it's so the glitter. I don't want human. How can I open this thing? Oopsie. A little bit, please. Oops. So it's actually a little too much for me. Close it tight. And it doesn't come out. But this is slime, I need green. Don't worry. It's gonna be fine then. The whole grass is gonna be glittery, shiny. So glittery, shiny. Whoa. Mm-hmm. So good. And it's time for the pink. Just I need more time. Now it's time. Good. Good. Oh yeah. This is gonna be just great for the tree. With some stuff. The sweater and the tree. So I could not get mixed up anymore. The tree looks glittery shiny. And the sweater is same. Ooh, this is gonna look so shiny with the blue. Our black place we're gonna need blue so it can look even more chic. Oopsie, too much. Just yeah, just what do we need? But it's a little too much. How about we can make this a little more shinier? The whole thing is gonna be even more glitter. That's what I'm talking about. Just kidding. We must replace this stuff. Wait a minute. And too tricky for me. Oops! Don't worry. It's gonna be cleaned up immediately. Just it was gonna be a little tricky. Oh yeah, I got a knife. Let's get on like this. And down it goes. Now it's time for this special one. No, wait. I need the more glitter. Great. Now I will. So, the white one. Please be a little. Get. I need to mix all the colors. Now, look. Great. Gonna be so lucky. Or how about a little more? Now it's green's turn. This green works. Now it's time for the pink one. I did not try the pink. Hey, yeah, I tried it. Just forgot. Gosh. Good. Now it's time for a little touch up. Come on. We're can't wait. Just two colors left. Now the orange one. Oops. A little too much for that, but it's okay. I still have more. Now it's time for the blue one. I hope I don't get it all spilled. Please don't spill. Oh. Now it's 100 times cooler. Just need to put that thingy, and whoosh it goes. Now it's time to split it all up. You can try with it, but insane. You can do it to the tree. Come on. Make that sparkly tree. So special. Good. A little glitter too much. The whole sky is covered with stars. Just need to get rid of the stars. Just kidding. I'm trying to use my fingers to get in control. So, now the fun sign, the black pen. Hey! And, what's I to say? Oh yeah, here. No, here. Now.